Look up at the night sky. Have you ever found yourself mesmerized by the vast expanse of twinkling stars, each one a distant sun, each one a beacon of light in the dark canvas above? Have you ever noticed a group of stars shaped like a giant question mark? It's as if the universe itself is asking us to ponder the mysteries of existence, to question our place in the cosmos. That, my friends, is the Big Dipper. This iconic asterism is one of the most easily recognizable patterns in the night sky. Its 7 bright stars form a shape that has captured the imagination of countless generations. It's not a constellation on its own, but rather part of a much larger and more magnificent constellation called Ursa Major, the Great Bear. The Big Dipper serves as a guide pointing us towards the larger picture, the grand design of Ursa Major. Ursa Major is one of the most recognizable constellations in the night sky, visible in the northern hemisphere throughout the year. Its stars have been a constant companion to humanity, guiding travelers and inspiring storytellers. Unlike some constellations that appear only during certain seasons, Ursa Major is a circumpolar constellation. This means it never sets below the horizon for many observers, making it a reliable fixture in the night sky. This means it circles closely around the North Star, Polaris, and remains visible all year round. Polaris itself has been a crucial navigational star, and Ursa Major helps us locate it with ease. For centuries, humans have gazed upon these stars, weaving tales of bears, hunters, and celestial beings. The stories vary across cultures, but the awe and wonder inspired by these celestial patterns remain universal. Join me as we journey through the cosmos, exploring the mysteries and wonders of the Big Bear constellation. Together, we'll uncover the secrets of the stars, delve into the myths and legends, and marvel at the beauty of the universe. The night sky is a treasure trove of stories and knowledge, waiting for us to discover.
Ursa Major, Latin for larger bear, is easy to spot thanks to its distinctive and recognizable shape. The 7 brightest stars form the Big Dipper asterism, resembling a ladle or a plow in the sky. These stars are Alkaid, Mizar, Alioth, Megrez, Phecta, Merak, and Dubi. The 2 stars at the end of the Big Dipper's handle are Merak and Dubi. These stars are special. They are known as the pointer stars because they point the way to Polaris, the North Star. Ursa Major is not just a pretty pattern of stars, it's a celestial roadmap, a guidepost for those who know how to read the night sky. Let's explore the fascinating stories different cultures have told about this remarkable constellation.
Throughout history, cultures around the world have created myths and legends about Ursa Major. In Greek mythology, the constellation represents Callisto, a nymph who was transformed into a bear by the jealous goddess Hera.
According to Native American folklore, the Big Dipper represents a giant bear, and the stars of the Dipper's handle are 3 hunters pursuing it. The story goes that as the seasons change, the hunters get closer to the bear, finally catching it in autumn.
These stories, passed down through generations, illustrate the human tendency to find meaning and wonder in the celestial tapestry above us. But Ursa Major isn't just a source of myths and legends. It has also played a crucial role in navigation.
Long before the invention of compasses and GPS, sailors relied on the stars to navigate the vast oceans. Ursa Major, with its prominent position in the northern sky, served as a celestial beacon. By drawing an imaginary line through the pointer stars, Merak and Dubhe, sailors could locate Polaris, the North Star. Polaris, located almost directly above the North Pole, served as a fixed point in the sky. By knowing the direction of Polaris, sailors could determine their latitude and chart a course across the open seas. Ursa Major wasn't just a navigational tool, it was a symbol of hope and guidance, a reminder that even in the darkest of nights, there was a way to find one's bearings. But Ursa Major's significance extends beyond mythology and navigation. It also holds immense scientific value.
Ursa Major is a treasure trove for astronomers, containing a wealth of celestial objects beyond its familiar stars. This constellation, often recognized by its prominent Big Dipper asterism, has been a subject of fascination for centuries. The Big Dipper itself is composed of 7 bright stars, but Ursa Major holds much more than meets the eye. Within the constellation lie several notable galaxies, including the Pinwheel Galaxy, also known as M101, a face-on spiral galaxy located about 21 million light-years from Earth. The Pinwheel Galaxy is a stunning example of a grand design spiral galaxy, with its well-defined spiral arms and bright core. It is one of the most detailed and studied galaxies, providing astronomers with a wealth of information about the formation and evolution of spiral galaxies. Another fascinating object is the Bode's Galaxy, or M81, a grand design spiral galaxy known for its well-defined spiral arms. M81 is located about 12 million light-years away and is one of the brightest galaxies in the night sky. Its proximity and brightness make it an excellent target for both amateur and professional astronomers. The galaxy's structure and composition offer insights into the processes that shape galaxies over billions of years. These galaxies, along with others in Ursa Major, provide astronomers with valuable insights into the structure, evolution, and vastness of our universe. The constellation is a window into the distant past, allowing scientists to study the light from galaxies that has traveled millions of years to reach us. By examining these celestial objects, astronomers can piece together the history of the universe and understand the forces that have shaped it. Ursa Major is also home to the Ursa Major Moving Group, a group of stars that share a common motion through space. This stellar association is a fascinating subject of study because it provides clues about the formation and dynamics of star clusters. The stars in the Ursa Major Moving Group are believed to have formed from the same molecular cloud and have been traveling together for hundreds of millions of years. This group, identified in 1869, was one of the first stellar associations ever discovered, providing evidence that stars are not randomly scattered, but often travel together in groups. The discovery of the Ursa Major Moving Group was a significant milestone in the field of astronomy, as it challenged the prevailing notion that stars were isolated objects. Instead, it revealed that stars can be part of larger structures, moving in unison through the galaxy. This discovery has paved the way for further research into the formation and evolution of star clusters and the dynamics of our galaxy.
Finding Ursa Major is relatively easy, even for novice stargazers. This constellation, also known as the Great Bear, is one of the most prominent and recognizable patterns in the night sky. Its sheer size and distinctive shape make it a favorite among both amateur and seasoned astronomers. Start by locating the Big Dipper, which is the most recognizable part of the constellation. The Big Dipper is an asterism, a notable pattern of stars within Ursa Major. Its 7 bright stars form a shape that resembles a ladle or dipper, hence the name. In the northern hemisphere, the Big Dipper is visible year-round, although its position in the sky changes with the seasons. This means that no matter what time of year it is, you can always find this guiding constellation if you know where to look. In the spring and summer evenings, look for the Big Dipper high in the northern sky. During these warmer months, the Big Dipper appears to be almost overhead, making it easier to spot even in areas with some light pollution. During autumn and winter, it appears lower in the north, closer to the horizon. This seasonal shift can make the Big Dipper a bit more challenging to find, especially if there are obstacles like trees or buildings in your line of sight. Once you've found the Big Dipper, you can use the 2 pointer stars, Merak and Dubhe, to locate Polaris, the North Star. These 2 stars form the outer edge of the Dipper's bowl and point directly to Polaris, which is a key star for navigation. For those new to stargazing, there are many helpful smartphone apps available that can guide you to Ursa Major and other celestial wonders. These apps are designed to be user-friendly and can turn your phone into a powerful tool for exploring the cosmos. These apps use your phone's compass and GPS to show you the constellations in real time, making it easier than ever to explore the night sky. With just a few taps, you can identify stars, planets, and other celestial objects, enhancing your stargazing experience. Stargazing can be a wonderful activity to share with family and friends. Whether you're using a telescope or just your eyes, the night sky offers endless opportunities for discovery and wonder. So grab a blanket, find a dark spot, and enjoy the beauty of the stars. As you become more familiar with Ursa Major, you'll start to recognize its individual stars and their positions. Each star has its own story and significance, adding depth to your understanding of this magnificent constellation. Keeping a stargazing journal can be a rewarding way to track your observations and progress. Note the date, date, time, and conditions of your stargazing sessions, and record any new constellations or celestial events you observe. Over time, you'll build a personal record of your journey through the stars. And don't forget to keep an eye out for shooting stars. These fleeting moments of brilliance add an extra layer of magic to your stargazing adventures. Happy stargazing!
Ursa Major, the Great Bear, has captivated humankind for millennia. From ancient storytellers to seasoned sailors to modern-day astronomers, this celestial bear has served as a source of inspiration, guidance, and scientific discovery. As you gaze upon this magnificent constellation, remember that you are looking at a celestial tapestry woven with threads of myth, history, and scientific wonder. Ursa Major reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a cosmic dance of stars, galaxies, and endless possibilities. So the next time you find yourself under a clear night sky, take a moment to appreciate the celestial beauty of Ursa Major. Let its timeless presence inspire you to explore, to question, and to marvel at the wonders of the universe we call home.